Is presenting a backpack for a canine sniff a search under the Fourth Amendment? This question comes from an officer in Texas. He said, would it be a trespass on a backpack if you took a backpack off a person and directed a canine sniff that bag, right? Also, what if the handler directed the canine to scratch the backpack? Would that be a trespass and implicate this case called Jones? So clearly, taking off the backpack and putting it on the sidewalk, is a seizure because the person did not, give you consent to do that. But you can do it with reasonable suspicion. The second thing is if the handler is intentionally commanding or instructing his dog to physically touch that bag. Now, the reality is that, handlers are not going to instruct their dog to scratch at a backpack just for, just to do it. There would be no reason for that. If it's an aggressive, alert dog, the scratching is the final response that they're trying to train these dogs to do. Before the scratch occurs, when that dog intentionally scratches in order to let its, handler know that it's done finding the narcotics, overall, the handler has probable cause because the dog is doing exactly what it's supposed to do when it actually senses contraband. So that touching would be a search, but it'd be a lawful search because you would have probable cause at that point. Now, you still need a reason to open the bag, but the scratching would not be an issue.